Fix 1. Run Word as administrator. Right-click on the Word shortcut, WINWORD.exe. Click Run as administrator. Check if it opens correctly. Fix 2. Repair Microsoft Office. Press Windows plus I to open settings. Go to Apps, Installed Apps. Search for Microsoft Office. Click Modify, choose Quick Repair, then Repair. If that doesn't work, try Online Repair. Fix 3. Disable Compatibility Mode. Right-click on the WINWORD.exe file. Path :/program files Microsoft Office version root Office XX WINWORD.exe. Go to Properties Compatibility tab. Uncheck Run this program in compatibility mode. Click Apply OK. Fix 4. Update Microsoft Office. Open any Office app like Excel or PowerPoint. Go to File Account Update Options, Update now. Fix 5. Check and re-register DLLs. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run the following command. Perl copy edit for %i in %windir %system 32.dll do rexver 32.xs %i. This can take some time and is best for advanced users. Fix 6. Delete Word registry keys, advanced. Back up your registry before doing this. Press Windows plus R, type regedit, press Enter. Navigate to PHP template. Copy. Edit. HKY_current_user software Microsoft Office version Word. Right-click the Word folder and delete it. Restart your computer and launch Word again. Fix 7. Update Windows. Press Windows plus I Windows Update. Check for updates and install any pending ones. Restart the PC. Fix 8. Clean boot your system. To rule out third-party conflicts, press Windows plus R, type msconfig, press Enter. Go to Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services. Click Disable all. Go to Startup tab, open Task Manager, disable all startup items. Restart the PC and try launching Word. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall Office completely. Use Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. https://support.microsoft.com/sra. Fix 9. Check for corrupted user profile. Sometimes, a corrupted Windows user profile can prevent Word from launching correctly. Steps. Create a new user account. Press Windows plus I accounts other users add account. Log in with the new user account. Try opening Word. If it works, your original profile is corrupted and may need repair. Fix 10. Check permissions on Office files. Word may not launch if it can't access required files due to permission issues. Steps. Go to Make File. Copy. Edit. :/program files Microsoft Office root. Right-click on the Office XX folder, e.g., Office 16 or Office 19, then Properties Security tab. Ensure your user account has full control. Fix 11. Turn off Windows Defender controlled folder access. This security setting can block Office apps from running correctly. Steps. Go to Settings, update Security, Windows Security Virus Threat Protection. Click Manage Ransomware Protection. Turn controlled folder access off temporarily. Try launching Word.